Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid, meaning its orbit around the Sun brings it within 1.3 times the distance between the Sun and the Earth. Its full name is Apophis 99942. After Apophis was discovered in 2004, the asteroid was given a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth in 2029, causing a great deal of media attention. It also for a time had a small chance of hitting Earth in 2036. Additional observations have shown it will not hit Earth in 2029 or in 2036. Nevertheless, in 2029, Apophis will come closer to Earth than our geostationary communication satellite, likely sparking a great deal of public interest. The Planetary Society has submitted recommendations to the US scientific community that identify science and outreach opportunities. We also present these recommendations at workshops and conferences. Apophis was discovered on 19 June 2004 by Rod Tucker, David Tholen, Fabrizio Bernardi at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona. Tucker was a 2022 grant recipient from our Shoemaker Near Earth Object Grant Program. Like most asteroids, Apophis is too small for us to figure out its exact shape and size from Earth. Radar images have shown it measures 450 meters across its longest axis, equivalent to about 5 football fields and taller than the Empire State Building in New York City. It is approximately 170 meters on its shortest axis. It is likely X-shaped. The most frequently asked question is, will Apophis hit Earth? Not anytime soon. It definitely will miss Earth in 2029 and 2036, and radar observation of Apophis during the asteroid flyby in March 2021 rule out an impact for at least the next 100 years. Soon after its discovery, most observations of Apophis refined the asteroid trajectory, and the range of trajectories still include Earth. Most observations refined its path around the Sun and excluded Earth, bringing the probability of a 2029 impact down to 0. Apophis would cause widespread destruction up to several hundred of kilometers from its impact size. The energy released would be equal more than 1,000 megaton of TNT or tens to hundreds of nuclear weapons. The asteroid that led to extinction of the dinosaur as well as 70% of all species on Earth was at least 10 to 15 km wide. It was much larger than Apophis, though millions of people could still die if an Apophis-sized asteroid struck a major metropolitan areas. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will pass as close as 30,600 km above the Earth. On 30 March 2036, Apophis will pass Earth as much further distance, 8.4 million kilometers. That's more than the 20 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. During the 2029 pass, Apophis will be visible from Europe, Africa, and Western Asia, looking like a somewhat bright star moving rapidly across the sky. It will be much too far away to be visible with our telescope in 2036. No, Apophis will pass closer to Earth than some of our geostationary satellites, but its path will be inclined away from the equator and not carrying it through the region these satellites occupy. There is no mission currently planned to visit Apophis. Various missions are under discussion, including at the Apophis T9 Years Workshop in November 2020. The Planetary Society called for mission to Apophis in our submission to the Planetary Science Decidual Survey. If you want to know more about space, then subscribe our channel.